Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we will explore a delicious and natural way to lower your blood pressure without relying on medication. We all know how important it is to manage our blood pressure for overall health and well-being. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, can lead to serious health issues if left unchecked. But did you know your diet can significantly regulate your blood pressure levels? That's right. You can help lower your blood pressure naturally and deliciously by incorporating certain summer fruits into your diet. Managing blood pressure through diet is crucial for maintaining good health. High blood pressure can strain the heart and blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other complications. By making smart food choices, you can support your cardiovascular health and keep your blood pressure in check. And the best part? You can do it all with the help of nature's bounty: fresh, juicy summer fruits. Using natural methods to lower blood pressure offers a range of benefits over relying solely on medication. Natural remedies are often gentler on the body, with fewer side effects than prescription drugs. Plus, incorporating fruits into your diet can provide additional nutrients and antioxidants that support overall health. By choosing natural solutions, you can proactively manage your blood pressure and promote wellness from the inside out. Now, let's dive into the exciting part: the delicious fruits that can help you lower your blood pressure. Various summer fruits, from sweet and succulent berries to hydrating melons and tangy citrus fruits, pack a powerful punch for supporting cardiovascular health. Stay tuned as we explore these mouth-watering options and learn how they can be your allies against high blood pressure. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding blood pressure. Let's start by unraveling the mystery of blood pressure and its crucial role in maintaining our overall health. Blood pressure is the force exerted by circulating blood against the walls of our arteries. It's measured in millimeters of mercury, mmHg, and consists of two numbers: systolic pressure, the top number, and diastolic pressure, the bottom number. Systolic pressure represents the force when the heart beats, while diastolic pressure reflects the pressure when the heart is at rest between beats. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is essential because high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, can seriously affect our cardiovascular system. Hypertension is a silent killer that often goes unnoticed until it leads to more severe health issues. Prolonged high blood pressure can damage the arteries, heart, and other organs, increasing the risk of conditions such as coronary artery disease and myocardial infarction, heart attack. Coronary artery disease occurs when the arteries that supply blood to the heart become narrowed or blocked due to plaque buildup. This can restrict blood flow to the heart muscle, leading to chest pain, angina, or, in severe cases, a heart attack. Myocardial infarction, commonly known as a heart attack, occurs when a coronary artery is completely blocked, cutting off blood supply to a part of the heart muscle. This can result in permanent damage to the heart and even be life-threatening. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is vital for preventing these severe heart conditions and safeguarding our well-being. Keeping our blood pressure within a normal range can reduce the strain on our heart and blood vessels, lowering the risk of heart disease and other complications. Through lifestyle changes, including a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, regular exercise, and stress management, we can take proactive steps to support our cardiovascular health and enjoy a longer, healthier life. Power of potassium-rich foods. Potassium-rich foods are nature's secret weapon when managing blood pressure effectively and promoting heart health. Potassium is vital in regulating blood pressure levels and supporting overall cardiovascular function. By incorporating potassium-rich foods into your diet, you can harness the power of this essential nutrient to keep your heart happy and healthy. Examples of potassium-rich foods abound, making it easy to boost your intake and reap the benefits. Bananas, known for their potassium content, are a convenient and delicious snack that can help you meet your daily potassium needs. Oranges, another citrus favorite, are rich in vitamin C and pack a potassium punch. Leafy greens like spinach are also excellent sources of potassium, making them a nutritious addition to salads, smoothies, and cooked dishes. So, how exactly does potassium help in regulating blood pressure? Potassium plays a crucial role in balancing the effects of sodium in the body. Sodium, often found in high amounts in processed and packaged foods, can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure. Potassium, on the other hand, helps to counteract the effects of sodium by promoting the excretion of excess sodium through the urine. This process helps relax blood vessel walls, reduce arterial tension, and lower blood pressure levels. Encouraging the consumption of potassium-rich foods as part of a healthy diet is a simple yet powerful way to support cardiovascular health. By prioritizing foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, and other potassium-rich options, you can take proactive steps toward managing your blood pressure naturally. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is critical to maintaining optimal blood pressure levels and promoting overall well-being. So, why start incorporating more potassium-rich foods into your meals today and give your heart the love it deserves? Summer fruits for lowering blood pressure. Summer fruits are delicious and nutritious allies for naturally reducing blood pressure and supporting heart health. Two standout stars in blood pressure management are watermelon and berries, each offering a unique blend of nutrients and antioxidants that can help keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. Let's explore the benefits of these summer fruits and explore creative ways to incorporate them into your daily meals. Watermelon, with its high water content and refreshing taste, is not only a summer staple but also a powerhouse when it comes to promoting heart health. This juicy fruit is rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant linked to lower blood pressure levels and reduced risk of heart disease. Lycopene relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and supports cardiovascular function. Additionally, watermelon is a good source of potassium, another essential nutrient for regulating blood pressure and maintaining healthy heart function. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are bursting with antioxidant properties that can benefit your heart and blood vessels. These colorful fruits contain flavonoids, anthocyanins, and other compounds that help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation linked to heart disease and high blood pressure. By including a variety of berries in your diet, you can support your cardiovascular system and enjoy a sweet and tangy burst of flavor in every bite. Now, let's get creative with incorporating these summer fruits into your daily meals. Blend watermelon into a refreshing smoothie with a splash of lime juice for a hydrating and heart-healthy treat. Mix berries into your morning oatmeal or yogurt for antioxidants and natural sweetness. You can toss berries into salads, top them on whole grain toast with almond butter, or freeze them for an excellent and nutritious snack on hot summer days. By experimenting with different ways to enjoy watermelon and berries, you can elevate your meals while naturally nourishing your heart and lowering your blood pressure. Creating a healthy diet plan. A balanced and nutritious diet plan is critical to maintaining optimal blood pressure levels and supporting overall heart health. Focusing on wholesome, nutrient-dense foods can nourish your body, reduce the risk of hypertension, and promote a healthy cardiovascular system. Let's explore how you can create a diet plan that prioritizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and heart-healthy ingredients to keep your blood pressure in check. Emphasizing the importance of a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains lays the foundation for a heart-healthy eating plan. These plant-based foods contain vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that support cardiovascular function, lower inflammation, and help regulate blood pressure. Aim to fill your plate with a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables, such as leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, sweet potatoes, and whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Regarding meal ideas prioritizing heart-healthy ingredients, consider incorporating lean proteins like fish, poultry, beans, and nuts. These proteins provide essential nutrients without the saturated fats found in red meat. Opt for healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and nuts to support heart health and reduce cholesterol levels. Experiment with herbs and spices to flavor your dishes without relying on excess salt, which can contribute to high blood pressure. To ensure that your diet plan is tailored to your individual needs and health goals, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your medical history, dietary preferences, and lifestyle factors. Working with a professional can create a sustainable and effective diet plan that supports your blood pressure management efforts and promotes long-term wellness. Remember, small changes in your diet can significantly improve your heart health, so start building your healthy eating plan for a happier and healthier tomorrow. Incorporating summer fruits and potassium-rich foods into your daily meals can support your cardiovascular system, lower your blood pressure, and promote overall well-being. Making positive changes to your diet and lifestyle for long-term health benefits is always possible. Minor but meaningful dietary adjustments, such as incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and heart-healthy ingredients into your meals can significantly improve your heart health and overall quality of life. Please take action today by implementing some tips and suggestions in this video. Remember, every small step you take towards better heart health matters. If you found this information helpful and informative, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more health-related content and tips on how to lead a heart-healthy lifestyle. Let's prioritize our cardiovascular health and make positive choices for a happier and healthier future.